Hello, everybody. Welcome to Monday. The S&P 500 was up 0.07% today. Very flat market today altogether. If you look at the Vanguard Total Stock Market Index, which I use as a broad measure for the whole U.S. market, that was up only 0.01% today. So not a lot happening. We have the Federal Reserve meeting coming up on Wednesday, so the market's probably going to want to wait for that. We had a pretty good sized drop off on Friday, but that was some triple witching day. It's when all the options are expiring at the same time, and so you get a lot of volatility on a day like that. So I wouldn't put too much emphasis on that, but we're going to wait and see what happens. So expected that they're not going to be raising rates. They're calling it a hawkish pause, which just means that they're going to pause rates, but probably be aggressive in their conversations and comments about raising rates in the future, trying to keep inflation at bay as much as possible. There is some kind of a 50-50 coin flip expectation right now that they might raise rates in the November meeting, because again, they don't meet in October either. So there's a kind of a little break here for the Federal Reserve. But so it'll be very interesting to see how this plays out. One thing I saw today I thought was kind of fascinating. I wear a red shirt every day when the market's down 1.5%, and a green shirt, of course, when it's up 1.5%. I saw a stat today that we've just hit 100 days in a row where we have not had a 1.5% down day on the S&P 500, which hasn't happened since 2018, actually. So kept that red shirt, in the closet gathering dust, which is what I kind of like right here. So we're just going sideways. Really, we're in, a pattern of consolidation. We're actually forming what's called a flag pattern right now on the chart. If you look at the S&P 500, typically a flag pattern, there's usually a breakout out of the top of that flag pattern if the market's been going up prior. So it will continue the path that it was on before. So we could be getting closer to some type of a breakout here, but we're still, would like to see actually a breakout above this roughly 4,600 that we got to, earlier this year at the end of July. And we'll see what happens there. But really interesting. We're seeing some, change of the guard with technology starting to slow down some, consumer discretionaries picking up and those things. We made some of those changes on Friday, actually, within our portfolio. But looking forward to seeing what's going to happen tomorrow, and of course, getting kind of ready for what's going to happen on Wednesday with the Federal Reserve meeting. So we'll talk to you then. Thank you.